Okay, Alexa, tell me a story.
Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess named Unicorn, Bee, and Sunburst, and the Bees. And they both had a horse riding on them right now. And one had a unicorn, which is running over the wind, running over the wind. And then they jumped over trees. Then they decided to have fun and smell flowers and run. And then they were all alone with their family. Then they lived happily ever after. But then what happened? They saw bad guys coming near them. Then they kicked them out of their place from their family, so their family doesn't get hurt. Then jaguars come and fight. Scratch, scratch, scratch. And then they decided to scratch all the horses, but they didn't get hurt. So Spirit saved the day, and then they drink their mommy's milk to baby horses. Then they decided to play a game of roses and babies. Then they settled down. Now can I see?
Is that the end?
Yeah.
Say the end.
The end. Now can